love. So it's me, a Filipina loves to travel. So right now we are in the front yard, and then we are going to check our chicken and our birds because we have chicken and birds here already. This is our morning routine. As you can see, look, it's so dirty. I need to clean here after morning. My gosh, so much work. So much work. This is where they drink water. I need to change water also, and I need to clean some of the dirty. And we are so happy we have 3 eggs. Look, as you can see, we have 3 eggs. And our birds here, let's check. So our bird, look at that. I need to clean everything and then put a new water, new food, new water, and new food. Yeah, in there. And actually, yesterday also, it's because they have out of food. They have still a little bit of food, but I buy more food for them. Let's see. Look, I'm gonna show you what's their food. Food of our... They're so excited. But I need to clean them first before I'm gonna give new food. This is the bird's food. The bird seeds food. Bird seeds. Look. Wait. This is their food. This is the bird's food. See, as you can see, look. Oh, see? That's the bird food. And then, for the chicken food, oh, so heavy. Look, this is for the chicken food. This is for giving eggs. For their eggs. So this is the chicken food to give eggs. Wait, I need to clean first our birds and chicken. This is for the birds. You see? Let's see here. Let's see. Okay. Max is there. Max! Ow! They're so heavy. We got 3 eggs. Oh. Wait. We got 3 eggs. So good. Maybe we can put the camera in here. My hands is dirty. Give me the egg. Oh. See? So big. Oh. I cannot get. go out. Oh, come here. You want to go out? Oh, chicken. Ay. Actually, guys, we have a problem to our birds. I just saw the birds in, it's just falling down from the tree. So, and I saw like there's like a problem, and I keep the bird. I run over there and I get this bird, and I give him something. I wish he gonna feel more better. This is our bird. Say hi. See? Oh, wait. We need to put it back because maybe they are hungry. But the bird has still some food though, so it cannot be hungry. Just need to put water for the birds, water. And new food. The eggs. Come on, there. Move. They are really good to me. You good to mommy? You need to be good to me. Too much work, both of you. Max, Buffhead. We have so much cats in here. Look at this egg. See, we're gonna give them food. They are really hungry. Ay. Where are you? Max? Wait. I'm gonna give. Come on. Go there for a while. Wait. This is the food for the bird. Max. I cannot see my face in the camera. Max. They're gonna stay there for a while. We need to give extra water. Hi, Ma. Extra water. So that they cannot drink more. To get more eggs. Finish. Yay! So we are finished for our chicken and bird. And we have so much cats here. 4 cats. 4 cats. And I'm gonna give foods for Max and cats. We have 4 cats here. And the one is there. The one is there. This is Buff Head and the mommy. So bye bye.